Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So this video today is on a 2004 Toyota Rav4 with the 2.0 petrol engine, the VVTi. Not really important for what we're going to be doing here. So the problem with this car is that the electric windows don't work apart from the driver's side. So if I press that one, it works fine. If I press that one, nothing happens. Up or down. Rear windows, the same. Nothing happens. I've tried already to disable that in there. Same thing. From the passenger's door, nothing happens. And the same from the rear. Let me press in there somehow. Let me show you. And the other one does the same. So, but yeah, so only the driver doors windows work. I believe all the other ones now working, they're going to be related. I think it's going to be one issue only. I hope so, because if we find that, we'll fix all the three windows. Now this car, if you watched my videos, possibly the other video will be up first. This car does not have a body control module, which means I can't go there and try to figure out what is wrong. So we're going to have to go old school. First thing we're gonna do, basics. It's gonna check fuses, relays, and try to understand how this system works. I might have to try to get hold of some diagrams, not sure yet. Let's gonna go one step at a time. But first thing, let's gonna check fuses, make sure everything is good, and we'll go from there. Okay, and as I was checking the fuses, you're gonna see I've checked them all. But I just want to show you, for example, this one. So we have continuity. I'm looking at the screen, there's 0.2 ohms. These 7 to 7.5 is good, and I have about, it'll be high though, 2 ohms. These 25, good, I have 0.2 ohms. This one, 0.1. And that one, it's nothing on it, absolutely nothing. So this fuse, let's gonna remove it, but it looks like it's gone. Although looking here, is that fuse in there? It says gauge. Don't know why it says gauge. Don't know if this has anything to do with our windows, but nevertheless we're gonna get it replaced and see what happens. Okay, let's gonna take it out. And it is indeed gone. I don't know if the camera is going to be able to show you the inside of it, but it's gone. It's going to get a replacement and see what happens. Okay, so new fuse back in, and let's gonna see what happens now. That's still good. Oh, look at that. Working. See this rear one? Okay, everything is working. Now, my curiosity is why it blew in first place. There is one thing as well that I've seen that was not working when I got the car, which was the HVAC, which is working now. So this was not working. It's working fine now. So it was just a fuse. Why the fuse was burned, I don't know. I'm gonna leave the fuse as it is. I'm gonna play with the windows here a little bit, up and down, try to see, HVAC, try to see if the fuse blows again, because it might was just a spike, special when you have seen that code. Oh, not here, sorry guys. Was a code, if you watch my videos on the Maxisys on this car, I will leave the link in the description below. It was a fault for high and low voltage on the ABS module, so it could have been a spike for some reason. I don't know what's been done on the car, so it might was a spike, something that caused that fuse to blown. Nevertheless, I'm going to be here with the windows up and down, HVAC running, see if we can blow the fuse. If it doesn't blow, I would say it's fixed. So just let's gonna try to do that and see what happens. Okay, and this was quick. Within 2 minutes I found out what caused the fuse to blown. Was the AC. Okay, I pressed it. As soon as I pressed it, I heard the fuse going straight away, and nothing works again. As you can see, the windows just stopped working, and my HVAC also stopped working, and the fuse is probably gone, obviously. There it is. If you can see it, my fuse is gone again. So we have an issue with the air conditioning, whichever, if it is a wire problem, if it's the pump itself, we don't know, but there is a problem with the air conditioning, which is blowing that fuse in there. Okay guys, so I'd like to show you something, and this is the kind of things I'm put through that, oh dear, I'm going to show you. Okay guys, so I came down here to do a quick test, which was disconnect the AC pump, which was me that disconnected that. But then I realized there is no belt on the pump, on the AC pump compressor. So the belt has been replaced with a shorter belt for a no AC version, and the AC compressor is actually not doing nothing. So I came here to disconnect the plug, which you can see I've done it. And my idea behind this was just to see if there is a problem on this clutch, and by disconnecting it, if that fixed the problem. But even if I leave it disconnected, providing this will fix my problem, it will do work, because the compressor doesn't have a belt, so it's doing nothing anyway. Okay, so I don't know if the compressor is seized, if it failed and they just left it like this. I don't know, but let's gonna see if disconnecting that plug, if my fuse stops blowing. Okay, there's a new fuse. As you can see, my HVAC is working again. My windows are working. Let's gonna turn the aircon and see if we lose the HVAC fan. If we do, that means that is not fixing my problem. And it's working fine, look at that. So it's flashing because there is a fault, but we know that. So basically my compressor is gone, it's shorted. That's probably why they took that off. But at least now we can leave it like this, so even if they turn this by accident, they are not gonna lose the windows, the HVAC and all that stuff. There's no air conditioning, as you have seen, for obvious reasons. And I think this is the video today, really. Well, it's not really, there's nothing special really, I think, on this one. Just the interesting bit that was the aircon causing all this. We got there quite quick. And guys, I know it's nothing special, nevertheless, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, any comments, put them below, and like always, thank you so much for watching.